Okay, here's the finale. I put out several videos on some of the stuff I did, the wood prep and the face frame and things like that, which came out in a series, parts 1, 2, and 3. This is it. This is the finale here. I pulled these chairs out so that you get a better shot of what it looks like. Completed. Just completed it yesterday when I put the top on. The top is a 8/4 live edge pine. It's at its widest point, it's 20, maybe 22 inches wide, and the cabinet itself is about not quite 17 inches on the outside dimension, so I do have a decent overhang here. To recap, I used 5/4 deck boards for the framing, or for the outside, and then I used 2x4 framing on the inside. See, walking around here, I got about 5 coats of spar urethane on here now. The way it is now, I've got 1 coat underneath, 5 coats on top. I did use a sanding sealer underneath, plus the spar urethane, so I think I'm gonna be okay there. I may do, I don't know, another 4 or 5 coats on this as time goes on. We'll see. Moving around, let me zoom out a little bit so you can get a better view of what we're trying to do. So coming around, here are the drawers and doors. Get this chair out of the way so you can see better, or so I can film better. So what we got going on here is 2 drawers, 4 doors. These drawers were just standard drawer slides. I used 8/4, half-inch birch plywood. This is nailed up, and then I used the table saw with a dado blade to cut the grooves for the bottom, and then just basically screwed the front on. And this is the wide one to hold the grill tools, and then this one is the skinny one, and that's just strikers, thermometers, hot gloves, maybe some hot plate kind of things. And then in the bottoms here, I've just got a few things, got more stuff to put in. These are 105-degree face frame Euro hinges on here. Very easy to install. These are not difficult. Let's see if I can get a real good shot so you can see that. Not difficult to install, and they adjust in a couple of different ways. These are also soft close, which I thought was kind of cool because I didn't care about that, but it worked out really well. So the overhang on this side is not that much. It's a couple of inches of overhang here, and then you got like 10 inches here on this side coming around, and most of the overhang is on this side here. So when you scoot the chairs up in there, you got kind of a bar type effect. Coming back over here, there's my chair. Slide that forward so you can see what we got going on here. It's just a Weber kettle grill. I got this for my 20th anniversary at work. There were several things I had to choose from. I picked the Weber kettle grill. I have covers for this, but I took them off just for the sake of the video so you can see what was going on. Then this item here is our Camp Chef. We've had this for some years. My wife cans on this. We also use it to cook various and sundry things on. It's really cool. They market these as like tailgater kind of things. You can put them on the back of your pickup truck because the legs will shorten, come off, so you can do that, but we're not doing that. So coming over here, this is the Weber gas grill that we have, and we've had this for, I don't know, 5 or 6 years as well, and it does a good job. So the only thing I really need to do here left is, you see, I need to put some rails on top of the rails, like I did the rest of the deck. And then my wife got these shades online from Amazon, and they do an outstanding job of cutting that afternoon sun, because it can get mighty warm out here if there's no breeze blowing and that sun's beating down on you. But it's nice and dry out here, so at any rate, this is, we're very proud of this. It took us a lot of time, a lot of work, and but it gives us a nice place to relax in the afternoons and the evenings, and when it's really not too terrible out here in the middle of the summer. So that is the end of the outdoor kitchen island build, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas that you can use for yourself. There's a lot of different ways to do this. I don't have a set of plans. I just kind of did this on the fly and figured it out as I went along, and it worked out okay. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for visiting Variety Homestead, and I hope you have a great one.